It has been a very long time since I posted something on here, hasn't it? Um, so, what's this about then? Well, during this whole coronavirus pandemic that's going on, I've taken to trying to play Football Manager as it's free for the week until next Wednesday. So, yeah, if you didn't know, I'm a Chelsea fan, have been all my life, and I've been bored, so bored since the season was cancelled. Um, if some of you are watching this ever watched one of my vlogs I did on the old Footy Talk channel, thank you. Yeah, I just had to stop that because I wasn't enjoying it. I was getting abuse and I had mental health issues as well. It was just not the right thing. But anyway, yeah, as I said, I've been taken to playing Football Manager because it's free for the week. And yeah, the problem I've had is that, well, typically it seems to follow the same script every time I try to play a game. This involves FIFA career mode as well, where it will start off okay. I'll do quite well for the first couple months, but then weirdly, no matter what tactical system I seem to use, it will just become almost impossible to succeed in any way. Like I'll play so many different formations. Well, here's be more specific here. I'll play across the games I've tried since 17. I've the same thing has happened despite despite the different formations I've used across the years. So it's not like I've been changing everything around multiple times in one game. No, that's not what I mean here. So I'm hoping that with FM20 it doesn't get to that stage. But I'm mainly making this video as a ask for some help on what I can do in that situation. What I can do if it does get to that point where I'm finding it impossible again. Can you give me some ideas on like specific tactics or specific ways to avoid that from happening? Like where I can, I'm actually able to finish the season at Chelsea, and just it to be realistic, rather than me starting off well and then falling apart every time I'm being sacked, that happens every time I've played the game before. So yeah, can you give me some advice in order to just stop that from happening, and yeah, just so make sure help me to finish the first season at least. My plan, of course, if I did get sacked, would be to um, go on to another job that's available at the time. But I don't want that to happen. I want to be able to stay at Chelsea for a long term save on here. So yeah, please do help me with that. Comment anything you can to try and stop that from happening. I'd be really grateful if it worked. So yeah, thank you for watching this. It's been a long time since I posted on here. Um, but yeah, I mean, to be honest, if you want to see it, I could record it. I have got a screen capture stuff where I could try and get that working on my game. But if you want to see that, do let me know as well. But yeah, thanks for watching this, and I look forward to seeing what you've got to say.